Hi, I'm Michael, the founder of Steelo, the leader in structural steel. I'd like to show you how we work to support your build. The intention of producing any steel member is so that it is possible to assemble it on site. And in most cases we have an end plate welded to a beam, but then for this plate to bolt onto something we need to drill holes into steel beams. And this is the machine we use. It's an automated CNC machine. It clamps the beam down with this clamp over here. We've got some drills in the tool changing device, and then it automatically chooses the right diameter. Once the steel is clamped, the head is positioned into the right place, and then it drills the hole through the steel beam. With this machine, drilling holes is very easy. One hole takes about 1 second, so it really speeds it up. And most importantly, because we pride ourselves on being reliable, this means our steel fits. And with this machine, we can guarantee that the layout of the holes is exactly where it needs to be.